Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making this quick and easy chicken pot pie. For this recipe, you will only need 4 ingredients: 1 can of veg-all, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of chicken, and 1 pie crust. Empty the chicken, veg-all, and cream of chicken in a casserole dish. Add 1/2 cup of water. Stir until well combined. Pro tip: replace water with milk for a creamier texture. Place your pie crust on top and bake at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Optionally, you can add shredded cheese to your mixture before topping with the crust. You can also place an additional pie crust in the casserole dish before adding your ingredients if you prefer a bottom and top crust. There you have it! Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.